Hello YouTube, I'm here on top of Anzac Hill in Alice Springs, Northern Territory. Today we're going to be doing a time lapse using a GoPro or Sony action cam that pans using the IKEA kitchen timer. Really cheap timer, you can get it from their website and it really does a fantastic job. So let's give it a shot. So there it is on top of my Manfrotto 290 light tripod, and it sits quite well. Okay, so let's turn the camera on. I got it on time-lapse mode already, and that's it. Advice: when you set up the time lapse, hang around by the camera, otherwise you might get a group of Swedish people who want to touch the camera. I don't know why, maybe they don't have cameras in Sweden. So let me show you how you actually go about setting up the kitchen timer. All you have to do is just drill a hole there and put a nut in there. Put your GoPro mount on top, and that's it. I put a battery on here just to get a longer battery life for the time lapses. So if you want to do the time lapse clockwise instead of anti-clockwise, all you have to do is just turn the camera upside down using a simple bracket, just like this. So when you're shooting time lapses of a sunrise, it might be difficult to predict exactly where the sun is going to come from. So you might have to come back another day once you've figured that part out. So one thing to keep in mind is that the kitchen timer, you have no control of how fast it turns. So if you're doing a time lapse every 10 seconds, you're going to get a time lapse that goes very quickly, and that might not be something that is worthwhile for you. So my name has been Harry. This is Future Shock Digital, and if you've liked this video, hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much.